Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Notepad++ on Windows 10. Notepad++ is a versatile text editor that supports syntax highlighting, code folding, and numerous programming languages, making it ideal for coders and developers. To get started with downloading and installing Notepad++, open up your browser and type in Download Notepad++ for Windows, and click on the first result entitled Download Notepad++ from the notepad++.org website. Once you arrive on the website, click on the latest version of Notepad++ to download it. For me, it's going to be version 8.7.1. Now from this page, scroll down and click on the green Download button. The download process should only take a few seconds. Once it's finished downloading, simply open up your Downloads folder and you'll find the Notepad++ installer file. Double-click on the file to begin installing Notepad++. The installer will now run, and you'll see this language selection dialog box. Select the language you would like. I'm going to select English. Now click on the OK button. Now on this Welcome to Notepad++ page, click on the Next button. And on this License Agreement page, click on the I Agree button. Now on this page, you'll be able to choose the install location for Notepad++. By default, the installer selects your Program Files folder. I'm going to keep this location as it's a default location for software to be installed in. Now click on the Next button. On this page, you can select or deselect components that you wish to have installed with Notepad++. Because I'm doing a standard install, I'm going to keep the default options that are already selected. Now click on the Next button. And on this final page, you'll be asked if you would like to have a Notepad++ shortcut on your desktop. I'm going to check this option, as I'd like a shortcut on my desktop. Now click on the Install button. Notepad++ will now begin to install on your computer. And as you can see, the installation is now completed. Now click on the Finish button. Notepad++ will automatically start, and you can begin to use it. And it's as easy as that. Downloading and installing Notepad++ on Windows 10 is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.